A decorative frame for a wall-mounted flat-panel TV is essentially a picture frame for the electronic device. You begin creating it by measuring the dimensions of the television itself. The structural frame is made from 1x stock. We're using 1x6, but you can vary that depending on the depth of the TV and how much you want to cover. The box will have mitered corners with inside dimensions which are 1/8 inch larger than the outside dimensions of the TV. So be sure to make your measurements to the short point of the miter cuts. This box is assembled on a flat surface with glue and finish nails. Next, cut the decorative molding, which will be attached to the front edge of the frame. We're leaving an 1/8 of an inch reveal where the molding overlaps the frame, so we're adding twice that amount, or 1/4 inch, to the dimensions we cut. These miter cuts are made on the flat side of the board so that they create the picture frame look when they all go together. Once the frame is complete, finish it with whatever style best matches your decor. We chose a dry brush faux finish similar to the fireplace mantle near that TV. After that, apply self-adhesive felt strips on the inside of the frame to protect the TV from scratches and elastic bands across the back to prevent the frame from sliding off the front of the set. The result is a TV that's a decorative accessory, not just an electronic eyesore.